My head exploded. I didn't know what to do. Who do you call? What's the next step? Are you sure you have the right patient? Are you sure it's me? Because I don't feel sick. And of course they said yes, and the big thing of course is the early detection. And I said, what next? What do we do next? So then we went on to the next phase. Absolutely pleased with my decision. Just from the standpoint of feeling whole again and what this does to you when you have your surgery and everything. It's not the end of the world. You simply take the next step. Get her done is my philosophy. Be your best advocate. And there is a light at the end of the tunnel. And we are making great progress. We have 2 surgeries down and 2 to go. And he's rocking it. Very good. I liked him right off the bat. His personality, how he listened to me, what my concerns were going to be, what we could do to make this right. And as he calls them, not twins anymore, but sisters. And I go like, okay, I have a visual. And you know, we're well on our way. He's just been awesome.